Alright guys, so example 2 is pretty much the same thing as example 1. So if you thought you understood example 1, go ahead and pause the video and see if you get it right in the very end. Which actually, this one had a few more directions. Hold on guys. Jeez, Miss Long. Alright, so on this one, we're going to be finding Z, the measure of angle A, and the measure of angle ACD. So I'm going to write that real quickly since I forgot to write the directions. Jeez, Miss Long. So we're going to find Z, the measure of angle A, and the measure of angle AC to the D. Alright, so now I'm back on gear. Sorry, guys. Okay, so looking at this, we can use the triangle exterior angle theorem again because we have an angle on the outside of our triangle and we have measures of our angles inside of the triangle. So looking here, I know that my exterior angle equals the sum of my two remote interior angles, which those are the angles that are not right next to my exterior angle. Okay, so what are the two angles that are not next to this outside angle right here? So the one next to it is this one. So the remote interior angles are the ones that are not this one. So it would be angle A and angle B. All right, let's set this thing up. So the measure of angle A to the C to the D equals the measure of angle B plus the measure of angle A. Yay, the triangle exterior angle theorem. All right, guys, let's substitute in the values for what they equal. Okay, so the measure of angle ACD we know is 6Z minus 9. That's a Z. I like to put lines through my Z's so you know they're Z's and not 2's. All right, the measure of angle B, what's the value of that one? I see this strange little boxy thing. What's this little boxy thing, you guys? It is a right angle, which means it's 90 degrees. Okay, so this is going to be 90 degrees. And the measure of angle A is 2Z plus 1. All right, guys, from here we just need to combine like terms and substitute these values in for Z. So let's get going. All right, so my like terms, okay, let's see. On this side, this is the only side that has like terms. My like terms are the 90 and 1, which when I combine those together, I do get 91. So I'm currently left with 6Z minus 9, so that's Z, equals 91 plus 2Z. All right, before I keep solving, I need to join my Z's together because they're besties. Okay, so the way that I bring my Z to the other side to join the other Z is by subtracting it since it's a positive Z. So 2Z minus 2Z cancels and turns to 0. 6Z minus 2Z is 4Z. Okay, so now what I have is 4Z minus 9 equals 91. 4Z minus 9 equals 91. All right, guys, we got to get Z on one side by itself, and then we'll have Z solved for it. Yay. So I need to push that negative 9 to the other side, which the way that we bring a negative 9 to the other side is by adding it. Which negative 9 plus 9 cancels and turns to 0. 91 plus 9 will give me a 100. So I'm left with 4Z equals 100. All right, guys, one more step to solve for Z. So my Z is secretly multiplying to the 4. So the way we bring that to the other side is by dividing both sides by 4. 4 divided by 4 cancels and turns to 1. 100 divided by 4 is 25. So my Z value, guys, is 25 degrees, I guess, technically. Yeah. All right. So we are not done yet, though. We have found the value of Z, and now we need to find the measure of A and ACD. So I'm going to do that over here. Draw my little line. All right, so we're going to be solving for angle A and angle A to the C to the D. Okay, so the measure of angle A I'm going to solve on this side, and the measure of angle ACD I'm going to solve on this side. Okay, so the measure of angle A equals 2Z plus 1. So my Z is going to transform into the 25. So it's going to be 2 times 25 plus 1. Okay, which 2 times 25 is 50. So the measure of angle A is 50 plus 1, which, holy hot dog, you guys, that's 51 degrees. Yay! Yay! All right, now I'm going to do the same thing with ACD. So my ACD equals 6Z minus 9. So I'm going to substitute that 25 into Z, which my Z will transform into a 25. So the measure of angle ACD equals 6. I'm going to run out of space. I'm going to write it down here. 6 times my Z, which is 25, minus 9. All right, and 6 times 25 is going to give me 150. So the measure of angle ACD equals 150 minus 9, which that's going to be 140 or 141. Yes, precisely. And bam! This problem is officially donezo. We found our angle A and ACD. Awesome job, you guys. All I have to say about that is awesome sauce.